What a time to be alive. With self-driving cars, drone deliveries, biofeedback devices, and AI's ability to replicate many of the tasks we once considered unique to human intelligence and creativity, like writing, music, and art. We have never been more integrated with technology than we are right now. And yet, as the boundaries between humans and machines continue to fade, we're being faced with a fundamental question about our humanity. What does it mean to be human right now? This is a pressing question as we grapple with the consequences of rapidly evolving AI technology and its disruption to the labor market. Many jobs will be replaced or rendered obsolete because of AI. And we're left asking ourselves, what will be left for us to do if machines are doing everything? This question has become salient in response to the times we're living in. But I think questions around what it means to be human, to be alive, and to think have always been bubbling just beneath the surface of our consciousness. These are important questions that have been simmering in response to the ways humans harm one another and the planet. Widening wealth gaps, healthcare disparities, mental health crises, back-to-back pandemics, climate disasters. Our identity crisis isn't new. We're just no longer able to avoid it. As humans, our tendency is to project our concerns onto something outside of us, something external. We want to blame technology when technology is shaped by us. We're racing for AI to think when we aren't even close to understanding or managing the limits of our own thinking. The human mind is prone to cognitive and emotional biases and errors. We need look no further than the catastrophes that plague our species to see that we have it backwards. The problem is not AI, it's not technology, it's us. We're rushing to develop technologies while human development has stagnated. It's time for us to start looking inward, not outward, for the solutions to today's emergent challenges. We need to begin deconstructing and searching beyond the boundaries of our thinking before we begin programming machines to do our thinking for us. AI is humanity's mirror. Our fears of AI reflect the unaddressed and unresolved fears we have of ourselves, the fear-based thinking behind the human horrors we witness and many of us have lived. Now, I'm not diminishing the importance or potential positive impact of AI, which can be leveraged as a tool to assist us with today's problems. But we need to come back home to ourselves to begin addressing our own limitations before embedding them into machines that currently do not have the capacity to self-reflect. Right now, AI can generate the contents of our thinking, but thinking itself is an embodied, emergent, and spontaneous phenomenon. The brain is interpreting signals from our sensory systems and constructing meaning. And we do this both individually and collectively. We are not passively observing reality. We are co-creating reality through the filters of our experiences, memories, hopes, fears, desires, and more. And to get better at co-creating a reality where people are thriving rather than suffering, we need to cultivate emotional intelligence. EI is no longer a buzzword or a nice to have. It is fundamental to our ability to navigate the uncertainty and ambiguity of the present moment. It shapes our decisions, the information we notice, our resilience, how we feel about ourselves, and our ability to collaborate with one another. It's time for us to wake up to our potential. We can continue to imagine the limitless potential of AI, but not at the expense of actualizing our potential as human beings.